Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your headphones Sargon Audio Quiet Storm using your phone. All you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And at the right ear cup, at the bottom of the right ear cup, we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And the most important, if you see this LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!